You're recommending Serenity Memorial Group. Are they going to be in compliance with all state statutes?
Yes. Yes.
To follow up, so the answer is you have no financial interest in any of those other companies?
No, not at this time. I'm not against getting back into the funeral business, but I do not own or operate any funeral home, or I do not own or operate any funeral home, or I do not own or operate any funeral home, or have a financial interest in them.
Thank you.
Thank you. I, for one, cannot identify a conflict of interest. I understand there was great concern when there was common ownership with funeral homes. That has since been not the case since October 28th of 2022. So I want to make sure that's on the record.
It is a problem. It's a conflict of interest. He is not certified. He is not doing what the county really needs. And he's profiting himself from being in this position.
Members of the Mohave County Board of Supervisors, Chairman Travis Lingenfelter, Ron Gould, Joseph Sonny Borelli, Don Martin, and Rich Letman. In regards to the Mohave County Medical Examiner, John Hassett, lying to the board, Arizona laws do not tolerate contractors misrepresenting obtaining a government contract for the purpose of gaining favor for personal profit and blatantly lying. And the statutes are clear under ARS subsection 132310. Knowingly making false statements to obtain government contracts is a Class 2 felony, up to 12.5 years in prison and $150,000 in fines. That applies where the lie is about qualifications, cost, or performance history. If the false claim is sworn, like in a bid affidavit, ARS subsection 132702 makes it perjury, a Class 4 felony. For procurement, ARS subsection 412611 allows the county to debar any contractor who misrepresents material facts, banning them from future bids for 1 to 5 years. And if the contract was secured by fraud, the county can void it entirely and recover damages under civil fraud laws. These are not gray areas. They're criminal, administrative, and civil tools to protect taxpayer dollars and public trust. When a contractor, any contractor, including those performing critical administrative services for autopsies for the county, misleads this board, you have a duty to act. I urge the board to refer credible allegations to the county attorney for investigations. Use disbarment authority under procurement codes. Demand transparency, and all future contract awards. Arizona law gives us the power to hold liars accountable. Let us use them. Thank you.
If he is due to show up again in front of the supervisors, yeah, he needs to be made to answer for inaccuracies. And yes, it is it's a misdemeanor, but it's you know, when you are called to testify. Now, mind you, yeah, they're not making you raise your right hand and whatnot and so forth. But if you still give false and inaccurate information during a public meeting, yeah, that's a lie, and it is actionable. The previous medical examiner had his own problems too. Pretty severe problems. We won't get into that.